was always a question the other day about how do I view any unused clips. And the quick and simple way is to come down and click on the Media tab. Change your view to List View. And then right mouse click and click on Usage. So we can see that we've used this one cut around about 3 times, 5 times. Click on Audio, on Music, cut some music around, but these two here I haven't seen. So hopefully that'll help someone and also help me remember at a later date. Thanks for watching.